downstairs and start teaching the lyric to that number. Oh, and Lori, send Paul then. All right. All right, go with Lori and learn the lyric.
You wanted to see me?
Yes, Paul. I really like the way you dance. No, I mean, so I figured we'd try this again. Now, for one thing, if you're going to change your name, why go from a Puerto Rican name to an Italian one?
Because I don't look it. I mean, people say, you don't look Puerto Rican. You don't look Puerto Rican. But I am.
So you figured it looked Italian?
No. I just wanted to be someone new. So I became Paul San Marco.
Why did you want to become someone new?
Why? I'm not exactly proud of my past.
Well, who is? That's what the word means, Paul, past.
That might be easy for you to
All right,
say.
wait. What made you start dancing? Your parents?
No. I mean, what do Puerto Ricans know about theater? I mean, now they have Channel 47, but back then they didn't have anything. But my father loved movies, and he'd take us with him all the time. He'd work nights, and then he'd come home and take us to 42nd Street, and we'd come out of one movie and go into another and another. I don't know why, but I love the musicals.
How old were you?
7 or 8.
On 42nd Street?
Yeah, it was a trip.
Yeah, go on.
Well, I'd have to move down front because I couldn't see very well. I wear contact lenses now, but then I'd have to move down front, and these strange men would come and sit next to me and play with me. I never told anyone because, well, I guess it didn't matter.
Why didn't it matter?
Why?
Look, Paul, if this is too rough for you, I have your picture and resume.
No. No, okay. I love the movie musicals, and I would go out and dance around the street, and I'd get caught all the time. God, it was embarrassing. Because I was always being Sid Charisse. Always. Which doesn't make any sense to me because I wanted to be an actor. I mean, I really wanted to perform. Once my cousin said to me, "You'll never be an actor." And I knew she was telling me this because I was such a sissy. I mean, I was really effeminate. I always knew I was gay. That didn't bother me. What bothered me was I didn't know how to be a boy. One day I looked at myself in the mirror and said, "You're 14 years old and you're a faggot. Now what are you going to do with your life?" Well, by that time I was at Cardinal Hayes High School. There were over 3,000 boys there. I had no protection anymore. I mean, there was no homeroom where I could be charming and funny with the tough guys so they'd fight my battles for me, like when I was at smaller schools. I liked school, but my grades got so bad. I mean, even if I knew the answer, I wouldn't raise my hand because I was afraid they would all be laughing at me. They even whistled at me in the halls. It was awful. It was awful. Well, finally, I went to the principal's office and I said, "I'm a homosexual." Well, at a Catholic high school around 1962, at the age of 15, you just didn't say that. So he said, "Would you like to see a psychologist?" And I did. And he said, "I think you're very well adjusted for your age and I think you should quit school." So I did. But I didn't really want to. I mean, I just couldn't take it anymore. See, what I was doing when I quit school, I was trying to figure out who I was and how to be a man. You know, there are lots of people in this world that don't know how to be men. And since then, I found out that I am one. See, I was looking for the wrong thing. I was trying to learn how to be butch. Well, I started hanging out on 72nd Street and meeting all these really strange people. I just wanted to meet friends that were like me, so I'd understand what it was that I was. Well, one day someone told me they were looking for male dancers down at the Jukebox Review. You know, the drag show. So I go down to audition. Now, from all these years of being Sid Charisse, I had this fabulous extension. I mean, I could turn anything my first audition. And they said to me, "You're too short to be a boy. Would you like to be a pony?" And I said, "What's that?" And they said, "A girl." Well, what do I have to do? "Show us your legs." But I have hair on my legs. "That's all right, come upstairs." So I went. And they hiked up my dungarees, put on a pair of nylon stockings and high heels. It was freaky. It was incredible. So they took me back downstairs and they said, "Oh, you have wonderful legs." And I said, "Really? Terrific." It's so strange talking about this. I mean, it was a whole lifetime ago. I was just past 16 then. Anyway, then there was the thing of trying to hide it from my parents. That was something. Because I had to buy all this stuff, like shoes to rehearse in, earrings, makeup, and I would hide it all, and my mother would find it. So I told her there was this girl in the show that didn't want her mother to know what she was doing, and I was holding all this stuff for her. She believed me. So finally, I was in show business. It was the asshole of show business, but it was a job. Nothing to brag about. I had friends, but after a while, it got sort of mean. I mean, no one at the jukebox had any dignity, and most of them were ashamed of themselves and considered themselves freaks. I don't know. I guess it was a lack of dignity that finally got to me. So I quit. I muddled around for a while. I worked as an office boy, a waiter. But without an education, you just can't get a good job. So when the jukebox called and asked if I'd come back, I went. We were working the Apollo Theater on 125th Street, doing 4 shows a day with a movie. It was really tacky. Well, they were taking the show to Chicago, and my parents wanted to say goodbye, so they were going to bring my luggage down to the theater after the show. Well, we were doing this Oriental number, and I looked like Anime Wong. I had these 2 great big chrysanthemums on either side of my head, and this huge headdress with gold balls hanging all over it. Well, as I was coming downstairs for the finale, who should I see standing at the stage door but my parents? They'd gotten there too early. It freaked. I mean, what was I supposed to do? So I told myself, I know, you'll just walk quickly past them with everyone else and maybe they won't recognize you. So I took a deep breath. I walked down the stairs and just as I passed my mother, I heard her say, "Oh my God. Oh, I died." Well, what could I do? I mean, I had to go on stage for the finale, so I just kept going. After the show, I went back to my dressing room, and after I finished changing and taking all my makeup off, I went back downstairs. Here they were, standing there in the middle of all these. And all they he said to me was, please write, don't forget to eat, and take care of yourself. Just before my parents left, my father turned to the producer and said, take care of my son. It was the first time he ever called me.
All right, bring him in.